Toronto Decks and Deck Repairs, fixing and upgrading decks and repairing decks. Hollywood Painting, your deck specialist. Have you been looking at your deck lately and wondering how to fix it? Is it a little bit rotten? Is it tattered? Is it full of fissures? Are boards loose? Are your steps loose? Is your railing loose? Is your deck dangerous? Please give us a call. We can fix it for you at a very modest, reasonable price. Spend a moment and watch our video. You will see that we can do a full range of all kinds of custom repairs and so forth. If you want, give us a call at 416-568-3547. We'll come out and have a look and give you a price on it. We also do power washing and deck sanding and scraping. So if you have just a cleanup job on your deck, we're the people to call. We can give you a good job quickly and efficiently at a very reasonable price, like I was saying. Call 416-568-3547. Toronto Decks and Deck Repairs, fixing and upgrading decks and repairing decks.